Hey everyone, if Logseq keeps crashing, closing unexpectedly, freezing during use, or crashing when opening a graph, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Logseq crashing problems in 2026. First, restart Logseq and try opening it again. Temporary software glitches can sometimes cause crashes that disappear after a fresh launch. You should also check your available system resources. Large graphs can consume significant memory, and low RAM or storage space can increase the likelihood of crashes. Another helpful step is disabling community plugins. Faulty, outdated, or incompatible plugins are one of the most common causes of Logseq crashes. If the crashes started after installing a new plugin, disable or remove that plugin first and test the application again. You should also verify that your graph files are not corrupted. Damaged markdown files, configuration files, or imported content can occasionally trigger unexpected crashes. And that's how to fix Logseq crashing problems in 2026. In most cases, updating Logseq, disabling problematic plugins, checking graph integrity, and ensuring sufficient system resources will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.